getting to be that time to show off that beach body and start turning heads. With the help of Laser Body Solutions in Hamden, it's a cinch. Zerona is the answer, a non-invasive laser fat removal process.
What the low-level laser energy does, as it's absorbed through the skin, it opens a pore in subcutaneous fat cells. And that pore remains open for 72 hours, and the fat leaks out of the cells.
The machine might look intimidating, but it doesn't even touch you. It's all done with lasers.
We get the fat by the patient moving. We get the fat to be picked up by the lymphatic system and delivered to lymph nodes, where the fat is turned to fatty acids, which we use for energy. And the rest of the extruded fat, which goes past the lymph nodes, goes to the liver and kidneys and is excreted from the body that way.
It takes about 9 treatments to see the inches melt away.
She'll stay in this position with the laser in this position for 20 minutes, and then, because this young lady also has some hip and thigh issues, we'll move the laser further down and do another 20 minutes. Then she turns over on her stomach, and we duplicate those 2 positions again for 20 minutes each.
For a total session of about 40 minutes. Get this, the typical loss is 6 inches.
The interesting thing is that fat cells in your entire body communicate with each other hormonally. And so as the fat cells in the abs, for example, open, fat cells on the back of the arms and the thighs and the hips, all of those fat cells open as well.
It's a total body treatment, even though you might just be targeting one area.
Zerona was great because I went down 2 pant sizes in a matter of a month. And it was painless, it was easy, you drink a lot of water, you do a little walking, and you come lie down and relax for 40 minutes. It was great.
Both men and women can take advantage of Zerona treatments. Something else that can affect both men and women, hair loss. And the folks at Laser Body Solutions can fix that too.
Non-invasive, patients don't feel anything. They sit under the machine, which is similar to salon hair dryer, and they don't feel anything. And they read their magazine or do their email.
It's called Ravage, a cold laser system. If there are living hair follicles, the procedure usually works. During a free consultation, Dr. Gold examines patients and photographs their heads with this machine to check for the follicles. The images are magnified 50 times.
This young woman has been in treatment for a little over a year.
Cindy Teplinsky is concerned about stopping hair loss. She travels an hour and a half for the Ravage treatment.
I didn't like the fact that I was losing so much hair, and I wanted to not have it deteriorate any further, and this has done that for me.
We use non-invasive, low-level laser therapy, again, to stimulate the circulation to the hair follicles that are still existing, to reduce the inflammation, which is caused by a chemical called DHT.
When dihydrotestosterone, or DHT, develops around the hair follicle, the follicle will get narrower and ultimately close over the skin. At that point, the treatment will not work. The program takes 1 year and at-home maintenance is required. This iGrow home device helmet is easy to use and does the trick. Ravage has a success rate of nearly 85%.
And for more information on Zerona or Ravage, you can visit Laser Body Solutions, 2440 Whitney Ave in Hamden, or log on to their website. You could see it right on your screen there. Now coming up next, entertaining